Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The WRD has made a plan. They have taken the trouble to visit the site, and details have been collected and put on the WRD plan, but the same details have not been implemented on the CZMP plan. So we are trying to show them where the details are not implemented, and to make sure that they don't override whatever is there existing. So if you are showing structures, you should show all structures, or you should show nothing at all. If you are only going to show barns and waterways and mangroves, then you show only that.
When I pointed out that our cross drains, box type culverts are not shown on the plan, they have told us that this points doesn't come under their preview. That means it has to looked after by the PW department. So I request the chairman of the CZMP, whoever, to depute the PWD officials and the survey department to note the cross pipes, which are very essential for regulation of water from one khazan to the other khazana.
जातपडी शेतां आहाय थिंगा वॉटरपडी दाखयलें उदक दाखयलेलें हें थिंगा सगळें तें ताका लागून आतां पूण हांव म्हणटा जर ते WRD इंजिनियर धाडले तांकां ते CZMPचे एक्सपर्ट कित्याक येयले नाय तेका लागून अमके प्रोस.
Our main objections are where Chogle and company at Washe has landfilled an area of approximately 16,000 square meters of the of Kumdad of Lotoli, and that area has been shown as a shipyard stroke jetty. Similarly, there is a 3,500 square meter area belonging to Captain of Ports, Government of Goa, which is also shown as shipyard. The land belonging to government of Goa cannot be shown as a shipyard.
WRD ऑफिशल्स आसले तांणी तांकां बरे भशेन कॉपरेट केला आनी आमची जी सजेशन आसली तिणी सगळीं तिणी नोट करून व्हेलें. सो गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं आमची एकूच मागणी, जी सजेशन्स वो ऑब्जेक्शन्स आमचे गांवचे स्पेशली टेनंट्स एसोसिएशन आनी दुसरे फार्मर्स आहाय तेणी केल्या ती CZMP प्लॅनाचेर इनकॉर्पोरेट करची